How to check your Snapchat call history. Let's get started. Open up your Snapchat application in your mobile device and then log in to your account. Once logged in, you need to go and simply tap on the chat section right over here. Now after that, you will see a calls tab. You can tap onto it to view your recent Snapchat calls. Keep in mind that calls older than 30 days might not appear here. If you want full call history, simply tap on your profile icon right over here. Tap on the settings icon. Inside your scroll below, then tap on My Privacy and Data. Then select My Data. Snapchat may ask you to log in again, so confirm your account details. Next, choose the data you want to include on your request, such as chat history or call-related data. After that, simply press Next. Then you need to go ahead and simply select the date range for request. Once everything is done, you need to go ahead and simply tap on Submit. Wait for Snapchat to process your request, and they will send you an email with a download link when your data is ready. This usually takes a few hours up to a day. Once you receive the email, you can download the zip file, extract the zip file, and inside you will be able to find your talk history. This file will contain details about your Snapchat calls, including dates and time. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.